What's up, guys? We back with another one. Crew cab, Dodge Ram, all the way from El Paso, Texas. Came in here to Rob's Customs for a panoramic install. Mini Cooper single tilt. He didn't want the double tilt, but I just can't find them. Single tilt is what he's gonna be getting. We're gonna do the, he brought another headliner in. The headliner the previous customer put in, or I'm not sure what happened there, but he creased it all up, which is outside. So he brought another headliner in we can work with, not creased, and we can wrap it with the new fabric. He is gonna go with the original fabric. As you can see, it's just a cream color. No black today. I just started on it. They dropped it off about noon today, Friday. Got off work, jumped on the truck right away. We are expecting a rainstorm tomorrow, Saturday morning. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. So as you guys can see, I do all my work on my driveway, but if anything, we might have to use a little canopy tent that I use for when it's hot out, put it out there. But I'm trying to knock out as much as I can bodywork wise on the bracket, because that's the main thing. Once I got the bodywork on top, once I put that glass in, that panoramic in, then we're good to go, because I could just run the hoses and I can do all the work inside the truck with the doors closed if it's raining. Let's check it out. Dodge Ram crew cab Mini Cooper single tilt. I already gutted the old headliner, and I have the top painted already where I need to cut, along with my center line. I'll end up cutting these braces also, just what's needed. I don't cut them all. I leave some brace also for support. The pros and cons about these Mini Coopers, my opinion is, yes, you do get a bigger glass. You get the front one that's bigger than the back one, which is good, because a lot of the panoramics, the back glass is actually bigger than the front one. The one slides in. This one actually slides up and then it goes on top. But you do get a bigger opening. But the only thing I don't like about these Mini Coopers is it's got that center brace, so you don't get that full panoramic view from the inside, as like the Jeep Cherokees, the SRX ones, CTS, all those. All it has is like a little, it's got like a little plastic that runs here in the middle, but that's part of the glass. You get more of that panoramic view from the inside looking out. This one, it looks more like double sunroofs, because you do have that bracing, and then the headliner does run through it, so it separates it. That's the pros and cons about these. Kind of a bust, because you don't get that full glass view, you know, besides a small strip like that of the panoramic from the inside. But it's all customers' preference. Here's a bracket. Headliner, it's all creased up there. I did have previous leakage on these Dodge Rams. You can see how it's stained. I think a lot of the times the water comes in through the top of the third brake light, comes in through here, and it starts to give that off that humidity and all that. So I think that's what's causing it. Alright guys, we got the body work done on top. It is raining on me. Sucks. I'm trying to do what I can on this Saturday, but we gotta keep going. There's the rooftop. There it is, body worked. Ready to go. Ready to put the Mini Cooper panoramic back in. We'll bolt it in one final time, and then install the drain tubes. There's one there, there's one there. We gotta add the ones in the back, but since it is raining, I want to put the glass on, bolt it all in play, install the drain tubes. That way the top is completed and I don't have to mess with the top no more. There you go guys, panoramic's installed. Alright guys, we got the headliner wrapped. We got it wrapped in the new fabric. and you can see the center is already cut out for the Mini Cooper. We're gonna go ahead and install it. We did have some issues with the first panoramic. One of my worst nightmares as I install these are used, but along with everything with used, you know, they do break or something goes out, something happens. So yesterday I was closing it up, done for the day, and the window got stuck on me, which is one of the first ones on a single tilt. I've had issues with the double tilts, but the single tilt, this is the first. It actually got stuck on me. Didn't want to open no more. So everything worked, the vent worked, but they just didn't want to open, like something was jammed. So I had to remove it. Good thing I have multiples of these. I had 3 of them, so I just went in my stash and grabbed another one. This one's working, no problem. But it just sucks, guys. Just another thing. It's not an easy deal where I'm just installing them in and out, get paid. I wish they were all like that. Sometimes I do have issues with them. They are used. Like I said, I do give 90-day warranty on used products. Where I buy these, they only give me 30 days, so I add an additional 2 extra months, a total of 3 months of warranty. That way, if it does give out, like I said, it is a used product. If you want to go new, then we would have to go to the dealership and buy all that new, which would cost a good penny. But yeah, sometimes I have issues too with them. Good thing I have backups. I always try to have backups, but actually this is the first one that's giving me issues. Shit happens, but I'd rather it happen here while I'm installing it than on the customer when he gets home or something. Yeah, guys, I'd rather have this happen here now that I have it in my hands. That way I can fix it and go from there. As you can see, I do have all 4 drain lines hooked up. There's ones in the back right there. There's another one there. That way if any water gets in the tracks, just like factory, comes down the drain tubes out the vehicle. All right, we're gonna set the headliner in. All right, guys, install's done. We wiped it down, cleaned it down, cleaned all the glass up. This thing came out nice. I really like, I wasn't a big fan of the color match headliner, but in this truck it looks really good because of the plastics and all that. Usually I'm used to doing black, the black suede, but this came out real nice. So let's check it out. The switch right here, that way you can have it here. There's actually a little slot from factory with nothing underneath, so it actually looks like it's made for it. Check that out.